Hello friends, this is Mirhan Hipolito, a Forex and cryptocurrency expert at Traders Union. Today, we will discuss what brokerage fees are and their main types. A brokerage fee is a charge you pay for using a broker's services to conduct trading operations and manage your investments. These fees may include those for transactions, withdrawals, inactivity, research, annual service, and others. Understanding the structure of brokerage fees and different broker policies is essential for managing your funds and trading efficiently. The fee structure and policies vary among brokers, but they can generally be divided into two main categories. Trading fees. These are charged when making a trade and may include currency conversion fees, margin rates, financing costs, spreads, or commissions. Non-trading fees. These are not directly related to your trading activity and may include inactivity fees, deposit or withdrawal fees, and others. Let's take a closer look at some of these fees. Spread. The difference between the ask, buy price, and the bid, sell price of an asset. For example, if you buy a stock for $101 and its selling price is $100, you will lose $1 upon immediate resale. This is the spread cost. The wider the spread, the higher the cost. Margin rate. If you use borrowed funds from a broker for trading, you must pay interest on these funds. The rate can range from 1% to 5%, depending on the broker's policy. Currency conversion fee. If you trade instruments in a currency different from your account's base currency, the broker may charge a conversion fee. For example, some brokers charge 1% of the total transaction amount for currency conversion. Inactivity fee. Many brokers charge a monthly fee if you have not made any trades for a certain period, usually between 12 to 24 months. A typical inactivity fee is around $5 to $20 per month. Understanding these fees will help you manage your investments better and make informed decisions when choosing a broker. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave your comments. See you next time.